Hello, this is Jessica. We are the plastic recycling machine manufacturer. Today, it is my honor to introduce the most popular pelletizer in China. According to the capacity, we have different models. This one is 300 kg per hour, and this one is 600 kg per hour, and the third one is about 1000 kg per hour. And we can provide customers machine for you. There are different vibrator. The first one is capacity is about 600 kg per hour, and the longest one is the capacity can be arrived 1000 kg per hour. If you want to more details, please contact me. Bye bye.